This is Bounty Plus paper towel. Let's open the package. So it feels pretty thick. Wow. It's actually very thick. And super strong. Once it's in your hand, it doesn't feel like it's a paper. It's not like a paper towel. You see that? Super strong. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Actually, it's not very easy to separate it. You see? Even the single ply is pretty strong as well. Yeah, I think that if you use this to grab any dirt or oil or water, it's no problem at all. Alright, I think it's the time to do some test. So I put some water into this plate and let's see how it absorbs the water. It absorbs the water so fast, you see? Let's move in. It just can absorb a lot of water. You see? That's a lot of water. And it's still dripping. And let's check if it's still holding up. Yeah, it's still holding up. You see, it's not going to soft a lot, still get some strength. Pretty good. And now let's do some oil test. Just dump some oil in there. Yeah, I think that's enough. And let's see how this paper handles the oil. Yeah, start absorbing. So just let it absorb. You see it goes pretty fast, right? All right. Let's see if this one paper can handle all the oil. So only like 1/3 of the paper is full of oil, so absorb the oil. So I think the absorbent is very good. Wow. You see? So let's see if it can. No, the strength still keep the same strength. It doesn't lose strength at all. Very good. I think Bounty's paper towel is very impressive. It's not only good for water, also good for oil. I think this is a very good choice to use in the kitchen. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.